Hey everyone, Sandy Dury here, and what I wanted to show you today is how our Fat Fighters works. This is our #2 seller. It is our carb inhibitor. What I love about our Fat Fighters is if you've ever ate anything that's high fat, high carb, maybe you indulged with a cocktail or two, and beer has a lot of carbohydrates in it. What's really nice is if you take 2 of our Fat Fighters 15 minutes to an hour after eating something high fat, high carb, here's what it looks like. They're very small, like it's not the size of my, like the length of my fingernail, so it's very tiny. If you take 2 of these 15 minutes to an hour after eating something with high fat, high carb, it's going to get in there and it's going to absorb up to 1/3 of the saturated fat and carbs that you've eaten. What I want to do is I want to actually show you what it does inside your body. I think seeing is believing. So what I have right here is a glass of water with some cooking oil on it, which it represents your stomach. After you've ate, the food starts to separate, and that's kind of what it looks like, okay? So what I did is I took 2 of our Fat Fighters, the carb inhibitor, and I just crushed them because I want you guys to be able to see how this works accelerated. So what I did is I crushed 2 of them up, and I'm just going to sprinkle it right here on top of the fat and carbs, the cooking oil, and you're going to see how it's actually going to start binding to that, and you're going to see how it'll pull it to the bottom of the jar, which represents what it's going to do inside your stomach. It's going to grab a hold of that bad fat, the carbs, and it's going to make it a solid so that way it can pass through the intestinal line safely. We joke that this is White Pan approved. A lot of people have asked, you know, does this give you any kind of sense of urgency? And it doesn't. So this is really nice. You're going to feel a lot better, but it's going to grab a hold of that and then drop it to the bottom of the stomach. So that's our Fat Fighters, and that's how it works. Love it.